Presenting the most dependable vehicles available according to the latest Consumer Reports reliability study, it's essential to delve into the comprehensive data backing these findings. The study meticulously scrutinized 330,000 vehicles spanning from 2000 to 2023, evaluating them across 20 distinct trouble areas to formulate a nuanced reliability score out of 100. Starting at number 7, we have the Acura Rdx. The Acura Rdx earns its place among the most reliable vehicles with its blend of upscale amenities and solid performance. Boasting a reliability score of 80 out of 100, the Rdx impresses not only with its dependability but also its engaging driving dynamics. Acura's reputation for reliability precedes it, and the Rdx lives up to this expectation with its consistent build quality and durable components. Powered by a robust 2-liter engine, the Rdx delivers ample power while maintaining efficiency, ensuring a smooth and reliable driving experience. Additionally, its ergonomic interior, advanced safety features, and luxurious appointments contribute to its appeal, making it a compelling choice for discerning buyers seeking both reliability and refinement. Next up at number 6, we have the BMW X5. The BMW X5 defies common perceptions about European luxury vehicles by delivering unexpected reliability alongside its renowned performance and sophistication. With a reliability score of 82 out of 100, the X5 surprises skeptics with its robust build quality and enduring engineering. Despite its reputation for high repair costs post-warranty, the X5 mitigates this concern with its dependable drivetrain, featuring the proven B58 inline 6-cylinder engine and an efficient 8-speed ZF transmission. Beyond its reliability, the X5 excels in offering a luxurious and dynamic driving experience with cutting-edge technology, opulent interiors, and precise handling. While it may require a higher budget for long-term maintenance, the X5 remains a top choice for those seeking a blend of performance and reliability in the luxury SUV segment. Moving on to number 5, we have the Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester epitomizes reliability and practicality, making it a stalwart contender in the competitive compact SUV market. With a reliability score matching the BMW X5 at 82 out of 100, the Forester distinguishes itself with its robust construction, capable performance, and renowned longevity. Subaru's commitment to durability is evident in every aspect of the Forester, from its sturdy chassis to its dependable symmetrical all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident handling in various driving conditions. While it may lack the lavish features of its luxury counterparts, the Forester compensates with its spacious cabin, abundant cargo room, and comprehensive suite of safety features, making it an ideal choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliability and versatility. At number 4, we have the Lexus Ux. The Lexus Ux stands out as a paragon of reliability in the premium compact crossover segment, earning a stellar score of 84 out of 100. As the highest-rated Lexus model for reliability in the Consumer Reports study, the UX epitomizes Lexus's commitment to crafting enduring and high-quality vehicles. Despite its compact dimensions, the UX exudes luxury and refinement, with a meticulously crafted interior, advanced technology features, and a smooth and efficient powertrain. Its reliability is further reinforced by Lexus's reputation for precision engineering and attention to detail, ensuring years of trouble-free ownership. While it may not offer the same spaciousness as larger SUVs, the UX excels in urban environments, offering nimble handling, fuel efficiency, and a serene driving experience, making it an enticing option for discerning buyers prioritizing long-term reliability and upscale amenities. At number 3, we have Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4's reliability is deeply ingrained in its DNA, stemming from Toyota's renowned reputation for engineering excellence and meticulous attention to detail. Beyond its impressive reliability score of 80 out of 100, the RAV4 embodies versatility and practicality, catering to a wide range of consumer needs and preferences. Its plug-in hybrid variant, the RAV4 Prime, showcases Toyota's commitment to innovation without compromising reliability, boasting an impressive score of 84 out of 100. With exceptional road test and owner satisfaction ratings, the RAV4 Prime offers eco-conscious consumers a sustainable yet dependable driving experience. Both the standard RAV4 and RAV4 Prime feature robust drivetrains and durable components, ensuring longevity and minimal maintenance requirements. Toyota's relentless pursuit of quality extends to every aspect of the RAV4, from its spacious and well-appointed interior to its advanced safety features and intuitive infotainment system. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, the Toyota RAV4 inspires confidence and reliability at every turn, making it a perennial favorite among SUV enthusiasts. Coming in at number 2, we have the Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V embodies the ethos of simplicity and reliability, earning an impressive reliability score of 85 out of 100. As the most reliable model in Honda's lineup, the HR-V epitomizes Honda's commitment to delivering dependable and durable vehicles. Its naturally aspirated K-Series 2L engine, shared with the venerable Honda Civic, underscores its proven reliability and longevity. Honda's minimalist approach to design ensures that the HR-V remains free from unnecessary complexities, prioritizing ease of maintenance and ownership satisfaction. Despite its compact dimensions, the HR-V offers ample interior space and versatility, making it ideal for urban commuting and weekend getaways alike. With its solid construction, fuel-efficient performance, and comprehensive suite of safety features, the Honda HR-V delivers on its promise of reliability and peace of mind, earning the trust and loyalty of drivers worldwide. Finally, at number 1, we have the Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner epitomizes rugged reliability, boasting an impressive reliability score of 87 out of 100. Despite its relatively modest road test score, the 4Runner's enduring appeal lies in its robust construction, off-road prowess, and legendary durability. Toyota's steadfast adherence to a proven formula has resulted in the 4Runner's reputation as one of the most reliable and long-lasting vehicles on the market. Its body-on-frame construction and dependable drivetrain components ensure unparalleled durability and resilience in the face of challenging terrain and adverse conditions. While it may lack the sophistication of its competitors, the 4Runner compensates with unmatched reliability and endurance, making it a trusted companion for outdoor adventures and everyday driving alike. With its spacious and well-appointed interior, advanced off-road capabilities, and unwavering reliability, the Toyota 4Runner remains a timeless favorite among adventure enthusiasts and families seeking a dependable and capable SUV. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Drive safe.